How to fix ringer sound volume gets low on incoming calls on iPhone iOS 18. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of problem where the ringer sound gets low automatically, then follow these steps. Open settings and go to the general option. Inside general, tap on the option software update and make sure you are using iOS 18 as your latest version. After checking for updates, go back to your previous page. Now on the settings main page, scroll down. Select the option Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your passcode to access this feature. Inside Face ID and Passcode, scroll down. Look for an option called Attention Away Features. Make sure that this option is turned off. If this option is turned on, then turn it off. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.